Welcome to day 7 on our 14-day countdown. It is Sunday, so we are definitely taking it slower today than we have all week. However, we do want to get this baseboard trim installed today. I'm gonna have to get a little creative on that side or lay an additional row of flooring. We'll see what I decide to do over here. Therefore, we're gonna start along the back wall, work our way this direction. That way I can kind of take some time to decide what we're gonna do over here. Ultimately, we're gonna get to it. We'll do an outro after we are done with this, where we will kind of discuss a little bit of the game plan for this week. The kids are here to help once again because it is their last name just as much as mine. Let's go! It's time to call it a night. The trim is officially done. I did go and get caulk, and we actually started along the back line, and what I realized is that the caulk got rid of the smooth, fine finish that the wood just by itself had. Therefore, I think it started to actually look a little worse, so I only started along the back wall. I went ahead and did the whole entire back wall just to see what it would look like. I don't like it, so I only did touch-up paint along the rest of it, and I just think it looks amazing this way. Therefore, we're gonna call the trim done for now. We may have some touch-ups as we go. Earlier, when we did return our extra flooring material, it actually did provide all of the caulk, which we are actually gonna have a bunch of return of that now as well, but it also provided for our Swiffer power mop with extra filler and pads. Tomorrow we're gonna show up ready to take on cabinetry, getting this place as clean as we possibly can. We probably will not cut any more wood in here. All the wood will get cut outside or upstairs from here on out. Once again, if you made it this far, thank you so much. This wouldn't be possible without you. Like, subscribe, share this with a friend, and I'll see you tomorrow.